the 2023 finance bill was like a Bible. So we could not read every part of the clause that was in it. That is why we tulipitisha na vitu zingine zinawaumiza. Ebu sikizeni. Shame on you. You were elected to represent the people, including in making of the budget. And then unakuja kuambia wale walikupigia kura ati finance bill ilikuwa kama Biblia, singeweza kuisoma yote. Saa hiyo watu wamepigwa kodi ya maavocado, makadamia, ng'ombe zinahesabiwa ni ngapi, na wewe ndio ulipitisha. Let me give you one or two examples. The other day, wale ambao wako katika Jubilee wakiongozwa na Sabina Chege, they say that they want Jubilee party to be a standalone parliamentary party. Hawakusoma katiba, wajua ya kwamba the constitution talks of a minority and majority. So when you become a standalone parliamentary party, what does that mean? You are in a situation that is not provided for in this constitution, and I want to tell them that now, and Babu, you can go and educate them. When it comes to allocating slots like the ones of IEBC, a standalone parliamentary party has no law. It is the minority and the majority. And many other positions, because we don't have time, many other of such slots that will come, they have cut themselves out and the areas they represent. Wetangula. Mnasema ni papa wa wapi? Roma gani? Wetangula, the constitution says that the majority in parliament are as reflected during the voting day. When we vote, we Kenyans determine the majority and the minority. Kenya Gazette ambayo iliwekwa ilitagaza Ruto kama ndio ati alienda State House. The same Kenya Gazette declared azimio majority in parliament. Wetangula led the president correctly kulingana na vile alikuwa ameagana hapo bereni kabla ya kupiga kura. But when it came to the issue of minority and majority, akasoma minority UDA became the majority on the floor. Up to today, the Kenya Gazette still leads. The majority on the floor is azimio. Forget about the shenanigans, including the broad-based things. If you want to go to, and I know there are people already in court, even the budgets that have been done are unconstitutional because they have been made by the wrong group. The majority side of parliament is the one that's supposed to have done the budget, not the minority. I'll give you another example of another character you must deal with. By the way, Weta is a disaster. Wetangula na yeye na wakili mmoja ambaye anaheshimika Kenya hii. But he is, I know because I've dealt with him when I was dealing with maneno ya Jubilee, but he is really one of the fellows undermining this constitution and one of the people we must keep away from any amendment that you may have in your thinking. Juzi, nimeenda Murang'a. Na nilipoenda Murang'a, 2 members of parliament said the 2023 finance bill was like a Bible. So we could not read every part of the clause that was in it. That is why we tulipitisha na vitu zingine zinawaumiza. Ebu sikizeni. Shame on you. You were elected to represent the people, including in making of the budget. And then unakuja kuambia wale walikupigia kura ati finance bill ilikuwa kama Biblia, singeweza kuisoma yote. Saa hiyo watu wamepigwa kodi ya maavocado, makadamia, ng'ombe zinahesabiwa ni ngapi, na wewe ndio ulipitisha. And then they have no regard for public participation. You know what has happened in that area. Jamani, kuna jamaa mwingine hapa, Office of Registrar of Political Parties. If you don't pay attention to how she is undermining our constitution, even those of you seated here who would want to become leaders tomorrow, your goose is cooked. She is being used day and night. And she has already been used to ensure that what we fought for in terms of multi-party democracy we are actually losing the gains. But if we stand up like we are doing, we will be able to stop it. I want to tell you that when Kibaki said